Stay. What the?
We used all the eyes this time?
Look at that.
Clear.
Look at that. See all the dew? I don't know.
Come
I got
forward.
shot.
Oh, I just
Did you
got it.
hear that?
Yeah, what was that?
What the fuck was that? Was that drums?
What's that?
I'm gonna fucking cry, dude. I'm gonna fucking cry.
Dude, I
Shut up. That might have been the drummer boys. Yeah, maybe. Because this is the wheat field. Oh, dude, we're literally at the lines. So, blue was Union, obviously. These are the lines. So they were literally blocking the entire front over here. This is where all those cannons were a couple days ago. And this is probably the fish hook thing that they were talking about the other day. Or this is the fish hook. These are all the different states. Pennsylvania, Wisconsin. Indiana.
Yeah, Indiana.
So, anyways, the railroad cut.
Look, we're right here.
What? Talking about New York. Anyways, so the railroad cut the place right up the fucking road. This is the reason why they tried to cut through the railroad cut. And that's when they all got fucking fucked up. I don't know where they got fucked up, specifically on the railroad cut. If I had to guess, right there.
Sorry.
So, that's pretty cool. What is that thing?
Looks like a portal just to hell.
There's nothing else out here.
On the road, the car's going on.
We're cooked.
Look at my shoulder. Oh my god. Why is this lighter?
Yeah, that's right, chat. Bet you don't got a girlfriend that can do this shit.
Yeah!
Here comes the punch. See? I get abused.
Alright, time to give Owen uppies. While holding the camera. How are we gonna do this?
I hope that was good footage.
Alright, chat. This is Owen.
Yeah, sorry.
Happy 4th. We're out here at the railroad cut because it's like a public road and we can't get stopped by park patrol. So, I did tell the story of the railroad cut, right?
Yes.
Okay, so, people say that you can hear the rebel whistle, people stepping on the railroad track, and like pebbles being kicked, and a little bit of like drums and stuff, or maybe a scream every now and then. So we're gonna chill here for a little bit and hopefully we get something. But this is what the railroad cut looks like. That's it. Boom. You don't even know, bro. Look how dark it is.
Yeah, that's a railroad.
So it goes all the way into the city and it goes all the way behind us underneath this bridge. Where is that? Where I had the road?
I could have instigated a better plan.
Did that suck? Huh? Failed your general? Failed the good old one, dude.
You lost to a bunch of Yanks.
Must have not been good. Did you hear that?
Yeah, come show yourself.
Come on,
Do
that
something.
again. You hear that?
Owen?
Good for nothing rebel. What was that fight for, huh?
Do you not hear that? Do you not hear that?
Do something. Throw a rock. Do something. Show yourself.
What was that? There's a rebel floating in there. It just disappeared. Right. Right. Right there. Right. There. Turn off and you walk.
Come on, step on the railroad track.
Do something. Show yourself.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on, you guys are supposed to be fighting, you know. Do something.
Once you're fighting, then are you scared to show yourselves? General Lee wasn't that good of a leader, huh? Led you men straight to your death.
No future. Can't even see what the world is like right now. How's that make you feel?
Failed the Bonnie Blue. Failed what you believe in. Disgraceful.
Come on, show yourself. Show us that you're here. Give us a sign. Do something. Make a noise. Do something. Show us that you actually died right here in this cut.
Okay, so 2 rocks. I don't remember where you guys said in the first place.
I'm from New York.
Yeah.
Where were you from, huh? West Virginia? Come on, show yourself. Use that energy.
If I was still golden, I'd go down there. Right under the bridge, right? I would set up the fucking spirit box, right? And I would, like, sit here all fucking night.
Do something.
Ooh, I'm just got a really bad feeling.
Come on.
Kick some stones. Do something. Act all high and mighty like you've been fighting for it.
Something. Oh, now it's... Yo, it's fucking with it. It's fucking with it.
Up. Yeah, right by that end of the water.
I can't see anything.
Okay.
What the fuck? You can't see what the fuck is on.
You were
It's 3 a.m.
Yep.
Look at that. The witching hour. The veil is loosening. You have the most power.
Click it. Never mind, I got it. What the fuck is that, dude? Come on, show yourself. Dude, I'm not even joking, bro. That looks like a one baby. It's out there in the field. You'll see its eyes. Where? Oh, fuck, I don't know. It's moving. So it's moving right to left. Right there. Okay, you got it. Hey! That's right where the screen came from. I can go straight to the end. Did you men die on hollow ground? Here. Do you know where it is? No. Come on, pussy. Come up on this bridge. Come on. Tell us how tough you actually live. Huh.
Steven, come here, my back hurts. Oh, I think something scratched my back.
Where? Oh, dude. In Marca? Oh, dude. Were you scratching that?
No.
Show
I've been
chat
sitting
that.
here reading
Hold the
this.
flashlight. Oh, dude. Look at that, going after the woman. You wanna know what that looks like?
Dude, I've been reading
Looks like a whip. Yeah, it looks like a whiplash. Oh my gosh.
What's up, guys? It's Steven Brino.
Thank you for watching today's video. Well, couple old video. We had to film an outro, and fucking I don't even know what date it is.
It's
Because Thursday
Because
night
one of our
in
SIM cards got
October.
corrupted, so
It's
you know,
October 2nd.
so yeah, we're a bit behind. Apologize for
Way
that.
behind.
But before we left that bridge, we did ask for forgiveness. I know we were a little bit asshole-ish on the bridge, and you know came off the wrong way, but we just wanted to get a reaction. I think we got pretty good reactions from them. So, but we did ask forgiveness and sorry for disturbing them and everything. We're not like that whatsoever. So,
Guys, if we misplaced anything, if we forgot anything in the video, please leave a comment down below. Leave a comment what you thought about the video. Thanks for joining us on this journey. We really appreciate all you guys' support.
We did apologize for what we said, and we ended up leaving shortly after. I got scratched. It was a pretty hectic night, I will say that.
yeah, more like whipped. Anyways, so thanks for watching today's video. Next couple videos are gonna be freaking wild, so enjoy those. But we'll catch you next time.
Stay spooky, baby.
Oh, I can't see shit because of the flashlight. Get over here. Stay spooky, baby.
Baby.